Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I got a mail call. I knew this was coming, but unfortunately it came Thursday night, and I already had my Fired Up Friday shot and edited and scheduled, so I just missed it. But that's alright. I'll just do it as its own video. I got this from Bushcraft, Diddy, and Outdoors. His channel will be linked in the description. A very cool guy. Let's see what he sent me. Wow, this box is loaded. So we got, we got some Spanish moss. Very cool. You know, there's only a certain kind of person who would be excited about getting bark. And we got ourselves some tulip poplar bark. Oh, awesome. Tulip poplar bark is probably one of my favorite tenders. It just doesn't grow here in Washington. So this is on par with fatwood, birch bark, and all that. It makes great bird nests. It lights real easy. All these stuff's gold. So very much appreciate that. What do we got here? Oh, saw palmetto. I don't think I've ever used that before. That'll be a fun burn. And looks like we got some fatwood mixed in here. Sweet. Man. Wood and bark makes me happy. That's awesome. Thank you, brother. We got a Canteen Cup Lid. This is actually not a lid I have. So I'm going to have to put that in rotation. I've got just the regular lid, but I don't have a lid like this from Heavy Cover. To be completely honest with you, I looked at Heavy Cover prices and I was like, wow. So, I'm not sure. Ooh, Mocha Coffee mix. Dude. Damn, brother. We get 10 packets in here. And we do. Mocha Coffee mix. I'm going to have to try that out. Because, I love my mocha. And we got, looks like a stove. Let's see. I'm not really sure what this is. I'll have to ask him what this is. I'm not sure what it is. I don't want to make a wrong guess. Let's get rid of the box. Sweet, and we get a stove in here. Oh, Whitefield Estates Organic Tea. If that's actually tea. Something rattling in here. Oh, badass. It's like a whole bunch of flint. And it feels like some jute material, or it looks like jute to me. There's some sawdust down in there. Damn, brother. So rocks, bark, and wood makes me happy. And it looks like we have a stove. This might be a wood-burning stove. I don't think I've ever used one before. Oops. Not really sure how they go together. Unless it goes like this. Yeah, maybe that's how it goes. I'm honestly not sure. Yeah, it kind of looks like a little wood stove. It looks like it has this here is the base that it sits on, probably for airflow. And then you just feed the fuel in on the top. That'd be fun to play with. Very cool.